shit. That's a nice one. Man, he's beat up too. Been getting all these bass beat up. There we go. First cast. First fish. You cannot beat that. Oh, he's so good. Wow. First cast, first fish. That's pretty good. That's never. Look at that scar. A bird or a. I don't know what got him. There you go. Nice. There you go. Now pretty far. My water's warm. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Second one of the day. Yeah, now pretty far this fish. Actually hit like a wall. Oh yeah, he was not getting off this thing. Wow. There we go. Nice fish. Get him back in. Dope. A lot of head shakes. Hopefully it's hooked good. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. That's a nice. Wow, that's a nice one. Look how oh man, he freaking cut me a little bit. I knew that was a nice fish when I hooked him. Ooh, look what they do. I mean, bass people think that's a nice that's a nice third one there. That's a really nice one. It's really nice. Probably about a nice 17 inches, easy 17. Get him back in. Far good. Really good. I really thought I was snagged. I had a nice one too. Wow, looking good for his size. I could have flipped him in. There we go. Get him back in. Nice. Look how fast he's coming at me. Look at that. Look at that. He's coming at me. Man, ooh, that's a nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh yeah, he's perfect. Oh, a fat bass. I felt like a bluegill. I think he's gonna pop off right there. It's a nice one here. It's almost getting it's almost getting close to spawning, so it should be pretty good. I just got hooked, and that's why. He's fat. Oh, there you go. Nice one. Fighting hard. There you go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Just like that. Nice. There's no other place around here that these fish jump so high. It's crazy. He wants to jump. Yep, see? Oh, there we go. There we go. That's a nice one there. Man, this thing felt huge when I hooked him. It's a nice one. Oh, there we go. I touched him. So it counts. I touched him. Everywhere else, everywhere else, they don't jump like this lake. I'm not lying. And they fight good in here too. There we go. There we go. Nice one. Man, for how big he is, he fought good. Jump. This thing came at me 1,000,000 miles per hour. There we go. I lost 3 in a row. It sucked. I cast underneath a dock, lost one. One jumped off. 2 jumped off. There we go. There we go. Nice one there. Get him back in. Touched him. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I got him though, and that was a fish. Man, these fish are crazy in this lake. Barely hooked too. Man, for how big he is, I mean, he's a nice one, but he fought good. I seen this one. I got too close to the shoreline. I'm gonna try flipping him in. I think I can flip him in. Yep, there he is. I seen him. I got too close. I was flipping underneath that dock, didn't get anything. I went forward and I'm like, shit, I seen him. But nice one. Yeah, back in. Yeah. Get one hook, guys. See where that hook is. Look at that. Right there. He's hooked. Look at that. Go get him back in. Nice. The hell is this? He's fighting good. There we go. Man, that's a weird mouth on him. That's right back to the other one. Look at that thing. There we go. Nice fish. Get him back in. You pull me. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice one. He hit it as soon as the lure friggin' hit the water. There we go. Bass fishing at its finest. Get him back in. I got a couple of hits in there, and I put a worm on. Look what I got. A freaking bass. That's freaking funny. That's funny. That all the time. It's always like that. When I try to go for bluegill, you don't get them. But again, we got a nice bass. Can't beat that. Get him back in. Wow. Oh, poof. Is he hooking the bottom? I don't know where he's hooked at. He's hooked on top, I think. There we go. Barely hooked. Hooked good, but keep that tension on there, it'll fall off. That's a nice one there. Get him back in. Yeah, it's fighting weird. Is that nice? He's just fighting that hard. Oh, he's right here. Ooh. Touched him. That's a nice one. That's a fatter one. Dink. Like that. Just like that. That's a nice one there. Yeah, probably about an easy 15 inches. Nice, really. Probably 2.5 pounds. Barely. I'm going to try flip him in. You think I'll get him? Yep. Oh, got him. That's number 20. Could have more than 20 today. Could have more than 20, but that's 20. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, I think it's 20. It could be more than 20. I don't know. It's somewhere around in the ballpark. No. They were strong. A little smaller one, but still a nice keeper. But yeah, they do fight good. They fight really good. I think they fight pretty much just as hard as small ones, but once they get on that bigger scale, you can definitely tell a difference. Yeah. Perfect. Nice. Wasn't paying attention to some of my line going out. There we go. Yeah, that's how you catch a lot. A shit ton of bass. Fish that spawn, pre-spawn, spawn. That's what I'm talking about. There he goes. This pike just broke me off right at the shore. There we go. Nice one. We get him back in. Nice fish. Yes. Whoa! Oh my God! It's a nice one. Wow. 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 Fish is not giving up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Hook just popped out. That's a nice keeper. Let's go. Get him back in. Oh, I see where he's hooked. Wow. Yo. Yep. He ain't coming off that. Ow. Ow. You hook him that bottom lip. That's it. Done. He ain't gonna pop the iron or shake that off. There we go. Another nice one. He wants to jump. That's a nice one though. What in the hell? Yeah. There we go. That is how you do it. Nice one. Man, he hit like a freight train. We fought like a freight train. That is a nice bass. Wow, wow, wow. We just released that one. This thing jumped high, guys. Oh, I spit it out. Kind of figured it was a hook that good. You know, jump. Yep, there he is. There he is. Another nice one. Just like that. Boom. Sonic boom. There we go. That is a nice fish. That's how you catch a ton of them. Finesse techniques, fishing on pre-spawn, spawn. That's how you kill them. There we go. Nice. Man, you probably guys are getting sick of me catching bass after bass after bass. That's a nice one there. Really nice keeper. Get him back in. Nice fish. Not jumping. That's the thing with bass, right? Keep their heads down. It's hard. Like, I tried doing it, and look, he still jumped. It's just, these fish are so strong. You can sit out farther, too, but it's a little shallower here. Like, it gets... Oh! That's a, look how fat. Probably filled with eggs. Probably a small female. What is she doing out that far? Nice one. Very nice fish. Fat fish. Alright guys, that's it for today. Another great day of bass fishing. Just great time catching good sized bass, catching a lot of nice bass. But anyways, great day. Again, if you want to catch a lot of bass, fish in May, mid-May, fish shallow, fish finesse jigs, and that's how I catch them. That's how I kill them. But anyways guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Later guys.